In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print specific cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a detailed report or a simple list, there are times when you don't need to print the whole sheet, just selected parts. Thankfully, Google Sheets makes this task straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to achieve that. Let's get started. First, open up your Google Sheet document. If you haven't already done so, just navigate to Google Sheets in your browser and find the sheet you're working on. Once you have your document open, you want to proceed by highlighting the cells that you wish to include in your printout. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the desired cells. Make sure you've selected exactly what you want, as these are the cells that will appear on your printout. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, look for and click on Print. This action will bring up the Print Settings menu, where you have a variety of options to customize the print layout. Here, you want to ensure that you select Current Sheet. This step is crucial because it confirms that you're working within the sheet where you've highlighted your desired cells. Now, look for the option labeled Selected Cells. It should show a reference like A1 F16, or whichever range you've highlighted. Selecting this ensures that only the cells you've chosen will be printed. After you've done that, there are a few more settings to adjust for optimal print results. You'll see options like Fit to Width and Fit to Page. Clicking on Fit to Width will size your selection to fit neatly across the printed sheet, maintaining readability. Similarly, Fit to Page will ensure everything fits nicely across the span of the page, adjusting any oversized elements to fit within your selected paper size. Choose between the normal and narrow margin options, depending on how much information you need on each page. Normal margins are standard, providing a balanced look, while narrow margins allow more content on each page, which can be helpful if you're trying to save paper or need everything on fewer pages. Clicking on Formatting reveals more settings. Here you can decide whether to show grid lines, which can help maintain a neat and organized appearance in your printout. Lastly, select your paper size, letter or A4, ensuring your printout matches the paper format available in your printer. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Next to preview your selections. Check everything over one final time, and if all looks good, go ahead and click Print. And there you have it, your guide on how to print specific cells in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Printing with precision is a great way to keep your documents clean and professional. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.